Let's jump right in. First of all, you're gonna need a foam ring. Don't ask me how much it costs, but I can tell you that it's 15.8 inches and that I bought it from Michael's. Next, you need some glue sticks and a hot glue gun. I didn't have either one. I went small because I went cheap. If I could go back in time, I would have had the big size. Ribbon, here's some beautiful ribbon that I never touched, and yeah. You're gonna need a whole bunch of ornaments. This is the most important part. You wanna have small, medium, large, tiny, huge, all kinds of variety. Glitter, texture, glass, whatever. The more you have, the more interesting your wreath is gonna look. Now this is gonna hurt your fingers after a while, but you're gonna have to remove the caps to the ornaments, toss them to the side, and then after you finish placing the ornaments the way that you want them, put glue on that little tip and shove it into the foam. This is what it looks like after you've covered that little piece with hot glue and shoved it into the foam and it's dried. Now you want to work on the outer edge. I would recommend using your largest ornaments for this part. Once the inner and outer layer is complete, it's time to strategically place the ornaments in a way to cover the white foam ring. This is the part where I started to get frustrated. At this point, I was thinking ahead and decided that I didn't have enough variety. So I went to the garage and luckily found some ornaments from about 3 or 4 years ago and decided that I needed to incorporate them into my Tinseltown theme wreath. As I was gluing, I noticed that I could still see white foam, so I grabbed some garland and started to weave it in and out of the already glued in ornaments, and that was an easy fix. When I was almost done, I hung my wreath up on the wall so that I could get a better look. That way I could see which areas needed more ornaments. I'm real happy with the way that it came out. It is so gorgeous and it was so much fun to do. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, and it's pretty time consuming, but I encourage all of you to give it a shot, make your own ornament wreath, and save a whole bunch of money.